How to make marble floors shine without wax. Dear friends, marble floors can lose their shine over time, but the good news is you don't need wax to restore their natural glow. With the right methods, you can bring back that elegant finish safely and effectively. Start by cleaning the floor thoroughly. Dust and dirt can scratch marble, so always sweep or vacuum first. Then use a mild, pH-neutral cleaner mixed with warm water. Avoid harsh chemicals like vinegar or bleach, as they can damage the surface. Next, focus on gentle polishing. After cleaning, dry the floor with a soft microfiber cloth. You can buff the surface in circular motions to enhance its natural shine. This simple step can make a noticeable difference without any extra products. For deeper shine, use a baking soda solution occasionally. Mix a small amount with water to form a paste, apply it lightly, and rinse after a few minutes. Don't overuse this method, as excessive application may dull the marble over time. Another effective trick is using a stone-safe polishing powder. These are specially designed for marble and help restore gloss without leaving residue like wax. Finally, maintain the shine by regular cleaning and avoiding scratches. Place mats at entrances and use furniture pads to protect the surface. With consistent care and the right techniques, your marble floors can stay glossy, smooth, and beautiful, no wax required. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.